be longer than 14 days away, and you shouldn't, or you you shouldn't have played a game longer than 2 hours. That's it. If you meet these requirements, then we can start to continue. Then just open any browser you want and type in lizard.com. Then open this web page, and here you need to make sure that you are logged in. So just log in with your data. Okay, then we can click on support. And here quickly going to translate this to English. Click on payment and then click on contact customer service. And then click on I prefer to categorize the problem. Then click on payment and click on refunds. And then click on continue. And in my case, then it should load up the games that are eligible for a refund. In my case, there aren't any games that can be refunded, but that's very easy. Just click on the game that you want to refund and just follow the process. That's how it's done. It's really nothing more to it. Really hoped this helped you guys. If you have got any questions left, just leave them in the comments and I will write you back as soon as possible. We will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for your attention. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.